Another round of murder. Okay, we're here. Let's go to their house inside here, and no one's seeing me, right? Right? Maybe someone's hiding here, or there's no one hiding here. They really know who the murderer is, because I am the only one who has the flaming knife. Yes, sir. My mother. My mother. Is she not jumping? Is she not jumping? Ah! Tangina. Oh my god. I'm so laggy. I'm such a laggy, bro. I'm such a laggy. I'm such a laggy. I'm such a laggy. But I'm not good at it. Skip jumping. Wait, what? I thought she was the last one. Where's the last one? Come on. I cannot find you, only one here and there. Oh man. Yeah, I think she's hacking, bro. Joke. That is a joke. Someone's here. There's no one here, bro. Bro, where in the world is she? Where is she, bro? She's good at hiding. I'm not kidding, bro. Shit! Tangina. Hoy! We are normal lang na madus tayo kasi meron talagang ibang player na sobrang talented. Tsaka inaamin ko yun, nalus ako dyan. Wait lang. Inaamin ko nalus ako dun kasi inaamin ko magaling talaga siya, be. Tsaka hindi ko siya mahanap kung saan siya nagtatago. Alright? That's all, guys. Bye-bye.